Alright everybody, we are ready to go. She's all powered up. We're going to take her out here in the field. Let's go ahead and get this beast out there and let's see what she can do. Full throttle. Okay, here we go. Let's try this again. It's a little slippery out here, I think. Yeah, a little slippery out, guys. Let's get her way out there, bring her back. Oh man, I should get my rescue out here. Hold on, guys. All right, everybody, let's just go ahead and see what she did. Just for now, we're gonna hit stop, then read. 46 mile an hour. Okay, it's a little slippery for this two-wheel drive. We'll have to wait, but we're gonna take it out here in the pavement. Tried to set my AVC, but it didn't seem to do too well. Oh, land. Ah, crap. Hold on, guys. All right, guys, had to go retrieve it. Now I do have the AVC set, as you can see right here. If I lift up the bumper, I'm not hitting the steering, but you can see the tires wiggling like that. We're gonna try one more on the pavement because it's too slippery out there right now. Let's go set the clock here. All right, guys, we're gonna hit stop. Oh, I gotta bring it closer here. Read 46, hit track, start. It's like the signal's too weak. Everybody, we're going to go ahead and hit start. All right, see if she's reading. She's reading. All right, I do got the ABC set. Hopefully we don't flip her. Get her way out here. We're just going to run it in the parking lot. It's just too wet out there right now. Make sure nobody's coming from the other way. Okay, guys, here we go. Let's see what she can do. Okay, we're gonna come this way now. Let's make sure we're not hitting any poles or anything. Let's see what we can do. Nope. Hold on, guys. It's a little tricky with this thing, but we're gonna get it. All right, let's see if we can make this the final run. Full throttle. Full throttle. And we got the airplane above. Heck yeah. I think the AVC is really working out good. Maybe one more? What do you guys think? One more? Let's see what she could do. I think that was full speed though, guys. I think we got it. Full throttle. Full throttle, guys. That's gonna be what she got. Let's bring it back over here. Boy, she handles really good. Yeah, too slippery. I don't want to tear up the lawn over here at the school. All right, guys. Go ahead and see what we got. I'm gonna power this thing off. Boy, what a blast that thing is, isn't it? All right, now we're close enough. We'll hit stop. Read 66 mile an hour for the HPI Baja. I could gear a lot taller, which that is in the near future.